Home makeover without the big expenses? Kaya ba yun? Of course, that's why we're here. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of MF Home TV. Today, we are sharing with you 7 affordable tips to transform your home without exerting too much effort. Nothing like a beautiful carpet to really tie together your home. Apart from being a connecting element, it also brings up the visual value of the space. It makes it look more luxurious. And the great news is that getting a carpet does not cost a lot. You don't have to buy premium carpets made from expensive material like a Persian carpet. You can absolutely go for carpets made of synthetic material like polyester. See? They look just as elegant without the big cost. Plants give your home that extra refreshing vibe. Nakaka-level up talaga siya. Parang it reminds me of some tropical setting. Since plants can be expensive sometimes, and minsan, di na rin tayo makakapag-maintain sa kanila sa sobrang busy, well, you can opt for full foliage. There are different shapes and sizes for any area. If you're not sure what type of plants work best for your home, check out this video. The way you light your space makes a huge difference. The warm tone will give an inviting and welcoming feeling which is needed at home, most especially in the bedroom and the living room. Check the bulb temperatures you're buying. The warm tone starts at 3000 Kelvin and beyond. See, you don't have to buy more lights. All you have to do is change the temperature to make a difference. Opt for plain curtains, whether they're thick and velvety or soft and light. On top of that, choose curtains in neutral, earthy colors so they don't overwhelm the atmosphere by being overpowering. Don't choose curtains that are multicolored. You want to go for something luxurious. Next is this foolproof way to elevate your space. Promise, it makes your home look more high-end. Wall moldings are a great way to add classiness. You can easily purchase this at any hardware store or even install them yourself. Wall moldings are really a great alternative to overcrowding your walls with decor or changing out your wallpaper. It may not seem like much, pero changing your cabinet or drawer handles, that is one of the best things you could ever do to your home. Sometimes, ito lang talaga yung problema eh. Di mo mapapansin kasi sobrang liit lang ng bagay na to. Pero diba, try mo. Change out the hardware with something more bold or creative. You may have throw pillows, but chances are they are not at their full potential. Here's our last tip for you, and if you enjoyed our tips so far, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel to see more. One way to level up your throw pillows is to make them look full and plump. Tingnan mo, pag luyat ang pillows mo, di masyadong maganda. Don't worry, may sikretong timpla yan. Sige guys, ito yung formula. Oversized pillows plus sized down pillowcases equals plump pillows. O, di ba? Mas masarap sa ice. Thank you everyone for watching our video. Let us know what are your favorite tips down in the comment box below. And don't forget to follow us on our social media pages, and I'll see you soon. The way you light your space makes a huge difference. Whew.